Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in our pre-owned sales department. You inquired about this specific automobile, the Genesis Coupe R-Spec. This car is bad to the bone. Now, when you come up, you're going to notice the 19-inch alloy wheels, and if you look real close, it's got the red Brembo braking. Those are Italian braking and sporty as all get out. When you come in, you're going to notice the R-Spec has the nice bolster seats with the red line trim. On the steering wheel, for safety and convenience, you've got your radio control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. This is a nice manual transmission. Again, this is the sports end of the Genesis Coupe. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. My personal cell, 205-907-4700. Brooke, again, this car will not last long. We are in our summer event sale. Again, Shannon Coward, 205-907-4700 here at Tameron. You're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting you.